How to bulk upload on YouTube. Hey everyone, welcome back to this YouTube channel. Today I will show you that how can you bulk upload on your YouTube channel. So let's get started. On this process, at first you have to open YouTube on your browser. Alright, search for youtube.com over here. Okay, after you open YouTube with your account, you'll have to just click on the option create just at the top right corner. From here, click on upload video. And from the section upload videos, you can easily click on the option select files to select the multiple files, or you can also drag and drop the videos to be uploaded. So from here I will click on the option select files. Alright, so from the section you'll have to just select that multiple videos from here, and you have to just click on open after you select it. So simply select the multiple videos from here. Alright, after you select the multiple videos, you'll have to click on open. Okay, so after you add that video on YouTube, it will automatically start the uploading process of your multiple files on your YouTube channel. So by completing this process, you can easily upload multiple videos on YouTube channel. So this is the easiest and simplest method to bulk upload on your YouTube channel. Hope this video was helpful to you, and please don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel for more quick and short tutorial like this. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.